My name is Cosmos Dari Nelson. I'm the Sales and Marketing Analyst for VW Ghana. We are here to present our amazing cars assembled right here in Ghana. We've assembled so far 5 models: the Terramont, the Amarok, the Polo Hatchback, the Tiguan, and then the T-Cross. Come to our stand and experience the amazing cars assembled right here in Ghana. We are here, and the name of our company is Volkswagen, the People's Car. Vehicles assembled right here in Ghana for the Ghanaian people. Thank you.